Welcome to Factory World. Today, we're taking a look at how ammunition is made. First, brass sheets are fed into a machine to be punched and cut into small discs. These discs are then stamped and drawn to form the initial bullet casings. Next, the casings are washed and cleaned. After cleaning, a small primer cap is inserted into the base of each casing. Then, gunpowder is carefully measured and poured into the casings. This completes the bullet manufacturing process. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content from Factory World.